Welcome back. Today we're in Columbia, South Carolina on Broad River Road. Me and old Preston's going in this place right here to get us a hamburger. This is one of my favorite hamburger joints in the whole entire world. What is it? Rush's. I've eaten here many times and it's very good. So don't miss this. There's an old timey picture of Rush's. And then we got all this stuff up here. Look at that. All right, we're waiting on our food now. I ordered a double cheeseburger basket and a chocolate shake. That's what I usually get. And he got about the same thing, except he got his kiddie style. With what?
Just pickles.
Just pickles. Yeah, kiddie style. So they don't usually take too long. There ain't nobody in here. They just open. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. And they ain't been open 2 minutes before we walked in the door. So stay tuned. Never seen anybody do anything like this. Look at it. I mean, that's the normal cup. He mashed his out so he could get more in it. Instead of getting 2 cups, he just mashed it out. He got 1 cup. Look at him. I didn't get 2 slaws. He don't eat slaw. These burgers are good. Real good. The fries are real good too. I'm real hot. I took a bite. That's a big hamburger right there. Alright, how many of y'all ever done this? Dipping your french fries in chocolate shake. That's good stuff. I love dipping my french fries in chocolate shake. That started years ago for me at Wendy's. Frosties and fries. I say it was very good. So this place is gonna be like really, really busy in a little bit once the lunchtime rush hits. There's gonna be people coming from the police academy down here, South Carolina Department of Corrections. Place loaded down with police at lunchtime. So we better get out of here because I think we got warrants on us. So that was real good. I enjoyed that. I don't get to come down here much, but when I do come down here, I love to stop at Rush's. There's several locations in Columbia, South Carolina, but the one we went to was Broad River Road in Columbia. I'm gonna give them a 10. What say you?
A 10.
You hear all that enthusiasm there? Yeah, well, that's just the way he is, so you have to learn to deal with that. But I know he liked it because he ate every bite, so till next time, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.